everyone, so we're at the end of the month. It's time to go ahead and put everything that we wrote in our teacher planner up here on the wall. So I'm going to go ahead and erase it, and we're going to go ahead and see the final results. I do have everything color coordinated, so blue is pretty much for my 4-year-old, pink, sometimes purple, but pretty much pink is for my 12-year-old, and then black is for everything else. We're all done pretty much. I was able to transfer everything that I did in my October teacher planner up here on our calendar wall. This is good because I'm able to kind of like keep track at a glance where we're at, what we're doing. My 12-year-old is able to see her schedule if she has any quizzes, exams, experiments, anything like that. So this is definitely handy if you're homeschooling multiple kids.